guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be trying out something for you guys. I actually did this look for my birthday in February, and funny enough, the hairstyle that I did was inspired by Mizo from the Banks family. So I thought it was really cool that Makeala actually put up a little tutorial on how to do her hair. So today I'm going to be doing a little hair look for you. Obviously Mizo is adorable and she's gonna look 10 times cuter than I could ever look. I remember trying to do her hairstyle and like struggling so hard because I was like, am I doing this right? And now Mackie's put up a tutorial on Mizo's space buns. It's such a cute look, and I know she's mostly doing it for kids and moms with little girls and stuff like that, but I personally love the hairstyle too, so I thought I would do it again and just kind of show you my version of it. So I'm going to be doing that today with a little bit of a twist of what I did for my birthday party. So here we go. So the first thing that you want, I just washed my hair so it's a little bit dry, so I do have some water to help kind of keep it firm and keep it down while I start this hairstyle. I have some hair ties here. I got the thick ones and some skinny ones, so we got that. Of course you're gonna need your comb, so let's do it. I have a mirror down here, if you can, and my laptop, so that way I can kind of watch Mackie's tutorial as I go in case I struggle at any point. So I have a natural, as you can see, like side part, so sometimes it's actually hard for me to do a middle part, and my middle part is never like straight. It's always kind of like crooked, I find, but we're gonna try today. One thing, here we go. I'm just gonna go straight down the middle, and I'm gonna use the end here to go to the back. Just want to know that my hair is straight down the middle. I think that looks good. So what she did was that she kind of went down the middle of Mizo's head, so it seems to go kind of like behind the ear. And using this part of my comb, I'm gonna see if I can get to that. Maybe I'm gonna try from this way. It's kind of, I always find it harder. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I always find it harder when I'm doing like my own hair as opposed to like doing someone else's hair, because I can see it. I can't really see mine. So I'm gonna see kind of where I want to put, oopsies, I feel like I grabbed some hair. So I think this is a pretty good spot to put it in. So I'm gonna grab the thicker hair tie and just put it there. Also, my hair is extremely thin, so it's another reason why I'm actually going to do something a little bit different than how Mizo has it. So one thing she mentioned was that she would twist it and then go from there. So see, this is another thing too. I have such a hard time with the twisting part, so I'm actually going to braid my hair. Now, using the skinnier hair tie, I'm actually going to tie that off. Alright, so now that I have my braid, now I'm going to twist it. I like it. It's already looking cute. And then I'm going to take another big hair tie and just get that in there. And that's one of the little space buns. It's almost like having like little antennas or like little ears. So I'm kind of trying to feel where my other part was back here. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay, cool. Oh, I don't think I did a good job. Okay, so I'm gonna grab another big hair tie. I always find when I'm doing my hair that the first side will be good and then the second side will be like such a struggle. Yes, okay. So once again, I'm gonna braid it. So bear with me while I braid it. So now that I'm done this side, I'm just gonna quickly spray it with some hairspray. Right now I'm using Control Addict by Redken. This is like a really professional, I guess you would say, hairspray. I try not to spray too close and too much because it will make your hair like rock hard. That's what it's kind of like for. So I kind of try to do it away from me. So I get a little bit, but not too crazy to make my hair hard, because I don't want that. So that's the last one. Perfect. And there you have it. This is my space bun look. Thank you to Makeala for posting the infamous Mizo hairstyle. So now there you have it. I think this is a really great time to experiment with hairstyles, see what you like, see what works for you. This is a great time. I know quarantine sucks, but hey, let's make the most of it. Try something new. Thank you for watching my video, and yeah, see you soon. Stay safe. Don't touch your face. Stay safe. Social distance, 6 feet. You guys know the drill. Stay safe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.